of Fortune game comes with everything, except me.
I'll buy a vowel. I.
You got 3 eyes!
We're in the home version.
All new Home Jeopardy!
And the new Wheel of Fortune game.
Don't worry, the home version is when you play a game show at home. Here's Family Feud, the 2nd edition, 3rd edition, 4th edition, 5th edition, 6th edition, 7th edition, and 8th edition. Let's go!
Here's something to do at home. I'll be making Oreo cookie milkshakes. Gather the ingredients. Get 3/4 cup of milk, 2½ cups of ice cream, and 8 Oreo cookies in a blender. Blend it in a blender until it's smooth. Break out 2 Oreo cookies, pour the ice cream Oreo thing into a glass, and put the crushed up cookies on top of it. Then enjoy!
One thing you can do while you're at home is get a tan so you can get a jump start on your summer.
Have fun on your tan!
One thing you can do while at home is walk your dogs.
Hello and welcome to Sierra Vista Life at Home. Today I'll be giving you an idea of something to do while you're at home, and that is read a book. And first you'll need to find a book, and there's a wide variety of those that you can find. And some of those are like a dictionary, a Stephen King horror book, a poetry book, I think, another horror book, diet, fantasy, get rich quick scheme. Hopefully this gives you something fun to do while you're at home. Have a nice day.
Hello. One thing you can do while at home is coding. Right now I'm on Hour of Code, where you can change preferences and you can choose a level that you're at, and it gives you multiple activities that you can do that will help you with coding.
My name is Bailey. Today we'll be eating some delicious ramen that I made myself. For this video, I'll be cleaning my room, and this is one of the choices you can do when you're bored. The first thing that you can start off is to fold your bed.
Accompanied by my older brother Joseph. We're playing chess.